Assalamu alaikum, welcome back again. Today inshallah we are going to make egg curry. So to make the egg curry you will need tomatoes, fresh chilies, onion, coriander, spices which we're going to do list, and you need eggs. You'll also need ginger and garlic which you have already crushed in this pot there. So to begin, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, you put some oil in the pan or the wok. Okay, so now put the onion in the oil. Okay, so that's the eggs that needs to be boiled separately. Okay, that's the ginger and garlic. It does turn green after a while. Okay, we now add the tomatoes. Okay, now you add the spices and let it properly cook. Now this is now cooked. We're now going to add some water to it. And let it cook till we de-shell the eggs. The eggs are now done. So there you go. Taking the shells off the eggs. Okay, now you cut the eggs in half, like so. Okay, now we're going to add the eggs. As you can see, the curry is thick. The curry needs to be thick for this egg curry. Now when you cut the eggs in half, you can see the egg yolks absorbs all the flavors from the curry. You see? And it comes out really good. And it's a very tasty curry. You should try. Okay, so that's the egg curry done. Now we're just going to add fresh coriander for garnish, and it's done. Come out really good, as you can see.